Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to fix a WhatsApp status quality problem. So the answer is easy, just go to the settings and then scroll down to the apps section, then go to the search and search WhatsApp. And next go to the storage and here you will find this clear cache option, click on it. Now you can go check it if it worked. If it didn't, you can try to restart your phone, and if it didn't work again, maybe try to turn on the airplane mode and turn it off, or the Bluetooth, you can turn it on and off. And if it didn't work again, try to clear data, but be careful. If you clear data, all the files and all the messages will be deleted, and the databases and the settings will be deleted, so be careful. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.